I want to show you how to blur part of an object in Premiere Pro. First thing you need is a subject to blur out. For this video, it's going to be this girl's face as she is singing. Starting from the beginning of the video, go over to Effects and type in Mosaic and drag the effect onto your video clip. Now under Effects Controls, go down and under Mosaic, click on Create Ellipse Mask. Drag the mask over and resize it until it covers your subject the way you like it. Click on the stopwatch icon beside the mask path and this will create a keyframe in our preview window. Click back on the word mask so it highlights our mask in the preview again. Now it's as simple as moving ahead a few frames and adjusting the mask to compensate for the movement. Each time you make a change, a new keyframe will be made. Do this until the end of your video clip. If you head back under Effects Controls and under Mosaic, change the horizontal and vertical blocks to 60, it'll give you that nice blurred out blocky look. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.